So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. So guys, in this short tutorial I am going to show you how to fix iPhone stuck on requested time when try to update iOS 16.4 beta 4. Lot of iPhone user about that issue. So in this video I am going to show you how you can fix that issue. If you're also facing that issue, keep watching full video. So without wasting any time, let's start video. Basically the first and main reason to appear that error, check your iPhone internet connection. To check that, open iPhone Safari and search any website. If it's working well, then try to install your iOS update. If that method not working, then move to the next one. The next one is open your iPhone setting. Okay, in setting you need to scroll down and tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough space to install iOS 16.4 beta 4. If you don't have any space, just make some space and then try to install your iPhone update. If that method is not working, then move to the last one. The last one is forced to restart your iPhone and then try to install again iOS 16.4 beta 4. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just force to restart your iPhone and then try to install your iOS update. By doing that simple step, you can easily install iOS 16.4 beta 4 on your iPhone without appear any error. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.